Hello. Welcome to a lesson about logical English and LLMs. Um, what I want to do is to try and show you how to use this new playground we just set up for logical English. And it contains a new feature, which is the possibility of using an LLM to fill the details in regular English that the system needs to reason using one of these documents that we already have in there, or maybe your own. But at first, let me try with the one of the existing one. I have to apologize because um, this system is not showing me the list. But when you click here, where it says select file or enter manually, you will see a list of choices, a list of files with a small description, which are documents that we have implemented before in Logical English, and we have been testing them, of course. And the idea is to select one of those. Let's take the popular citizenship example from the British Nationality Act, and you will get that example downloaded to the system here. You will see the document. You could see, read it, or check what it says, and you will be able to query it in the way we usually do with Logical English, which is to post a query after completing the example within a scenario, selecting a scenario. But more importantly, now we can, instead of sending selecting the existing scenarios and queries, we can have our own. We could, I'm going to copy and paste here something just to make it quick. Uh, and you can make up basically your own example by copying this and maybe using your own words. Instead of saying something like this, you could say John's father, for instance, just for a change. I mean, this is supposed to be a box to write in English, whatever you need to complete, sorry, the example and query it. And an LLM will extract from this information the proper scenario and the query, the intended query. Let's see that if it works. The information goes to an LLM, and then LLM posts it to Logical English, and it produces this answer that you are looking at right now, which is basically the fact that is being asked for with an explanation. And then you can see that it actually transformed Harry's John's father into Harry is the father of John, which is a structure that we recognize in our Logical English document. You could see what the system get from your input down there, just to check that the translation is properly done. So welcome to the use of Logical English with an LLM as a proper neuro-symbolic system. Please let us know of any trouble whatsoever you may have with the system. We are happy to explain other examples and, of course, debug and correct any details. Thank you for your attention.